Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TradeStation to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. When you are here, make sure that you log in into your account. Now, use the search bar on the top. Then you can just simply search for any of the symbols here on the top. For example, let's say I've launched the chart of gold in front of me. So it is going to look something like this. So here on this page, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show you the list of all of the brokers which you can easily connect with TradingView. Now from this particular list, you just have to look for TradeStation. You can either look for its icon or you can just simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you can search for TradeStation. When you are able to find its icon here, simply click on it once. Then it will ask whether you want to log in here with the in your live account or whether you want to log in your demo account. So you can choose any one of these. Then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you in a new tab on the login page of TradeStation. So here on this particular page, simply provide your username and your password associated with your TradeStation account. Then click on the option of login, and this way you will be able to connect your TradeStation account with TradingView. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.